So you must have seen these kind of 360 drone shot AI generated videos, which look really amazing. Please have a look. So you must be thinking that how these kind of AI generated drone shot videos are created. So today I'm going to show you how we can create these kind of shot using ChatGPT and Google Gemini View 3, which look like AI generated cinematic shot. So let's get started. So welcome to AI Motion Director. To create these kind of a shot, what you generally need to do is you need to create an image which is isometric, an image which act like a storyboard for a video creation model. So first we will create that image using ChatGPT, which then later referred by a View 3 as a storyboard. So let's see how we can generate that. So over here, you can see I'm inside a ChatGPT and I will type a prompt which generate a photorealistic image of an amusement park, which will be a 4K and in the 16:9 ratio, and it will look photorealistic. So let's see how it will give me a result. Okay, so as you can see, it created an image which is from a top angle, which is a bird eye view angle, like we can say an isometric angle as well. And with the help of that angle, it can easily generate the video. So generally drone videos are from the top angle. So it is easy to convert these kind of images into storyboard. So now as a next prompt, what I will do, as I will tell ChatGPT that I wanted to create a cinematic drone shot from this video. And I just wanted to convert this image into a reference storyboard for a View 3 or a Gemini Omni Flash as well. Okay. I will give a detailed instruction from where to start, where to stop, and how the paths will be. So let's see how it will create these kind of a path. Okay. Now, as you can see, the overall path for the drone is marked in a red color. And as you can see that it is marked from numbers, like starting from the dock area, which will be first, then the second will be the Ferris wheel, and the next is roller coaster, and so on. So now as our storyboard is in place, we can put this inside a Gemini View 3 or maybe Omni Flash and tell that model to generate a drone shot video by following this path. So you can use ChatGPT as an expert to generate a particular 3D prompt, which will create this cinematic kind of a drone shot. So I have detailed prompt in place, as you can see, and I will download this image. Now I'm inside Google Flow and I'm going to put those images as a reference, and also going to add a prompt which is created by a ChatGPT. So I have uploaded both the images, one which act like a storyboard and the other image which will be my first frame. Right. I'm going to put a detailed prompt over here and I'm going to select a video model as well. So right now I'm selecting a video model as Omni Flash. And I'm going to add negative prompt as well. So it will avoid the mistake, and let's see how it will create now. All right. So first shot is ready. Let's see how that output will look. Okay. So it took storyboard as a first frame. As you can see, I have option to generate a video for 8 to 10 seconds only. So it might not cover all the stops which I mentioned inside a storyboard. Maybe it can cover only 2 to 3 stops. So what you can do, you can break that image into multiple parts and maybe create a multiple shots of it as well. So this is good, but few seconds are wasted because it took storyboard as a start of this video, which is not looking good. So I will try some other model as well over here. So I'm going to select a similar image, but this time I'm going to turn on the agent mode of Gemini Omni. But this time I'm going to turn on the agent mode and going to put some instruction inside that agent. So that agent will understand the shot and also it will correct it wherever it is needed. So I'm going to use a model Gemini Omni Flash, and I will put all the negative and the generic prompt as well inside the agent only. As it created a video, it started a video with the storyboard frame only. So it should not waste my few seconds. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to attach a clean image and ask it to start with that frame and refer the image with the red marks as a storyboard only. Now I'm going to put some generic prompt inside this, which is create a drone shot of this image. And I no need to write down a detailed prompt over here because I already trained an agent over this. So I'm going to hit create a shot. Let me check selecting a correct model first. Omni Flash is already selected and everything is in place. Let's hit generate button. So it will ask me for an approval. And okay, here is the video. Let's see what exactly it is generated. So as you can see, the start frame, it took correctly and the path is quite seamless. This time the overall video is looking more cinematic and also the connections from one place to another place is quite seamless than the previous one. So this is how I can create multiple shots as well and attach them one after another. So this is how we can create a cinematic drone shot using a ChatGPT and Gemini Omni Flash, or you can try it in a VO3 as well. But personally, I don't like VO3 output because it is not looking as expected or as cinematic with Gemini Omni Flash, especially agent mode created. So before you exit, don't forget to subscribe my channel because you will get these kind of trick videos furthermore as well. And see you in the next video. Thank you.